CVX stock analysis and price predictions for next week. This is super interesting. Is it a buy? I'll be breaking all this down in this very brief, short 1-minute video. Now, as the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience, it's all documented on my YouTube channel. I've shown you what's working, what's not. In this particular instance, just like a bullish, very solid bullish market, but it's not going to be something that I'll immediately start buying. You know what I mean? Like, generally speaking, here's my 4-hour chart. And what I hope I just see is the price pull down a bit. And then if that happens and there is a solid double break, then bro, I'm buying. I don't care. You know, it's a simple buy. You know, it's just not that I'm going to immediately start buying just on random, because we don't want to gamble, right? So you got to have an edge. And this is what I've been refining over 5 years and what I'm using. I know if I stick to this, I'm going to be okay. Boom, this is the top. All I'm doing in the meantime, just waiting for rules. And if you do want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.